birthday, followed a different way. Mine's in a different place, growing up in a crate. Cause I have no space, feeling so as I need to explain and complain, don't speak to your face. Cause in my music I have a lot to say. Need to look to God cause I need to pray. Cause I don't wanna burn and see the fire blaze. Life's not the time to waste, life is complicated like a maze. Biggest thing out of London since the craze. Except we're not gay and we're gonna make a change, bringing all the pain. Hear instruments play as I touch the game's brain, bringing fame to its name to a certain extent. I can be extreme but I'm just doing me, rapping to my folk, skating at Royal Oak, listening to K-Polk on the loose road. And my heart is cold and it's got a hold, so don't pass me so. Listen to what I wrote and you all should know that I ain't a soft man like slippery soap. I'm independent, I make all the jokes but I'm barely cold, cause I'm always broke. This is my time to shine. Is life always all about riches and dimes? So I have to decide, cause this life is mine. Some intensive rhymes, so let's put me aside.